And hello there, Gundam fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what I have here is a kit released, months prior. We have the HG GQuuuuuux Gaia's or Ortega's Rick Dom GQuuuuux version. Yes, and as you can see here in the box art, yes, there are two Rick Doms here, but this is only one kit wherein you can either build Gaia's Rick Dom or Ortega's Rick Dom, wherein the only separation or difference is one of them is the one carrying with the bazooka, the other one is carrying the saber. So yeah, so that's what you can see in the box art, and it will be reflected or done the same earlier or later. Since it won't fit in one frame, so here it is. So in one side, here it is, Gaia Ortega's Victim, the actions that you can do with them, and of course there are some gimmicks included on the side. And here it is on the other side, where it is clear that Ortega is the one with the what do you call that, with the bazooka, and Gaia is the one with the beam saber. And of course, some information about the show is included here. So let's see and open up what's inside the box. And since this is a big box, so yeah, I'll be taking off the items off screen, but bringing it on screen here with one bag, with 3 screws, all black, some grays and multicolor there. One more bag with multicolored screws and all grays. And a sticker sheet. Another bag with the purple, a wire, and grays here. One more bag with purple and grays. The last bag contains the saber effects and some grays, and instead of clear green it is solid green. But yeah, later on if you want to do something about it, you can do. And of course we have here the instruction manual, and here it is. They are indicating that if you're gonna build Gaia's Dawn, the saber has to be attached, and without the saber it's Ortega's Dawn. Yeah, so you can just build one and you can post it, or send it to whoever it is, but you can buy two. One will be Gaia, one will be Ortega, and it's up to you, of course, as for best build, or to replicate the black tri-stars that they did also here in G-Box. So let's take a look individually at each of the sprues. We first have is the A sprue, which is a multicolored sprue. We have some reds, some violets, some pinks, blue. Then we have the B, which is also a multicolored sprue. We have a C1, and then a C2. We have a D1, which you can clearly see is the feet, or has the legs. A D2 for the third leg slash thruster. E1 for some internal framings and stuff. E2 internal framings for the third leg. We have F1, and then the F2 here. Then we have the G, which is clearly the bazooka. We then also have the saber beam effects, which is not clear green but a solid color. Then we have the wire here. And lastly, we have some stickers. And there you have it again, the fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the HG Mobile Suit Gundam GQuuuuux 1/144 Gaia's or Ortega's Rick Dome GQuuuuux version. And this is Mixerwars saying, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, leaving a like, rewind the video, sharing, commenting, and until next time, see you and thank you.